We would like to say a big thank you to you, our respected teacher. We would like to recite a poem on you. This poem is written by our father, Professor Siddharth Sanghvi. You give me love and care, like my mother, oh my teacher. You give me zeal and be, like my father, oh my teacher. You are in our soul, as a God, oh my teacher.
ज्ञान प्रदाता, शक्ति स्वरूपा, मधुर वक्ता, विक्षोभहर्ता.
You teach me difference between right and wrong, like an emperor, oh my teacher. Your lessons of life make a topper to even a backbencher. You are creator of character, oh my teacher. You sacrifice your whole life for the betterment of us. You are our success ladder, oh my teacher. To remain in your shadow has always been a pleasure, oh my teacher.
धैर्य की मूरत, दयालु सीरत, कर्तव्य पालक, सिद्धांत रक्षक.
You are sometimes very harder, whatever is the matter. You teach us to follow standard operating procedure, oh my teacher. You are a reader, writer, director and a great storyteller. So many qualities in you. Oh my teacher, you are a pure soul with a purpose. You are the moral of our life's story. Oh my teacher, oh my teacher, oh my teacher.
कठिन था समय, सब कुछ था बंद, हौसले थे पस्त, जीवन था अस्त व्यस्त. कठिन था समय, सब कुछ था बंद, हौसले थे पस्त, जीवन था अस्त व्यस्त. उस समय आप बने हम सब की उम्मीद. आपने घर से ही बढ़ाया नौनिहालों का आत्मविश्वास. कठिन था जूम और गूगल मीट को इतनी जल्दी अपनाना. कठिन था जूम और गूगल मीट को इतनी जल्दी अपनाना. पर ये आप ही का था हौसला, जिसने ऑनलाइन को न्यू नॉर्मल बनाया. आप सा दृढ़ विश्वासी और स्वाभिमानी, बनूं आपका मैं अनुगामी, है गुरुवर बनूं आपका मैं अनुगामी. हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू यू.
ma'am.